foodies, I'll be sharing secrets that have been passed down through generations to help you fry up the crispiest Southern-style catfish ever. Let's get cooking! Start with fresh catfish. The key to nailing this recipe is starting with fresh, high-quality catfish fillets. If you can, get them straight from a local fish market. Fresh fish holds the batter better and fries up crispy, not soggy. Always make sure to pat your fillets dry before anything else. Trust me, this makes all the difference for that crispy finish. The perfect cornmeal crust. No Southern-style catfish is complete without that signature cornmeal crust. I like to mix equal parts cornmeal and flour for that light crunch. Add in a good pinch of cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and paprika for that kick of flavor. The secret here is to season the flour mixture generously. Don't be shy, let those flavors shine. The buttermilk dip. Here's where the magic happens. Dip each catfish fillet into some buttermilk before dredging it in your seasoned flour mix. The buttermilk not only helps the crust stick, but also adds a tangy flavor to the fish. If you don't have buttermilk, you can make your own by adding a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice to a cup of milk. Easy, right? Now fry it right. Now for the fun part. Heat your oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the sweet spot for frying. You don't want the oil too hot, or you'll end up with burnt catfish on the outside and undercooked fish on the inside. Fry the fillets for about 5 to 7 minutes until they turn a gorgeous golden brown. Let them drain on a rack or paper towels to keep them crispy. Southern sides and garnishes. No Southern fried catfish is complete without the perfect sides. Serve your crispy fillets with hush puppies, collard greens, or a side of creamy coleslaw. Don't forget a lemon wedge for that citrusy zing. For extra Southern vibes, I love pairing mine with a slice of cornbread. It just ties everything together. Want to take it to the next level? After you've coated your fillets, let them rest for about 10 minutes before frying. This allows the coating to set, which gives you an extra crispy crust when fried. There you have it, folks. That's how you can master deep-fried Southern catfish. Whether you're cooking for family or just have the feel for some Southern flavor. Until next time, keep frying up some magic, and I'll see you in the kitchen.